Okay, so welcome back. So in this video, we will be talking about how to take snapshots of specified processes. So to take snapshots of specified processes, we first need to include our MASM32RT. We need to then create in a handle variable, which we will call HProcessSnap, and we need to use the CreateToolhelp32Snapshot function. So the CreateToolhelp32Snapshot function basically takes a snapshot of specified processes as well as heaps, modules, and threads used by these processes. So it has two parameters. So you have first the flag and the process ID. So this flag could be any of the following. So th32cs inherit, th32cs snap all, th32cs snap heap list, th32cs snap module, th32cs snap module 32, th32cs snap process, and th32cs snap thread. Okay, so you can read more about this in the Microsoft Web App Development documentation. So the next is the process ID. So the process ID, we just left it as 0, but if you use this CreateToolhelp32Snapshot function with th32cs snap heap list, snap module 32, or snap all, you need to specify a value on which current process that you want to access. Okay? So after pushing 0 and pushing th32cs snap process, you just call CreateToolhelp32Snapshot. And the value of the handle will be stored into EAX. So for future use, we would move the value of EAX into our HProcessSnap handle. Okay? So that is all for CreateToolhelp32Snapshot, and I hope to see you all again next time.